Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta if we click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Wattpad beta and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.